Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Simone Brielle, and we're gonna hop right into this holiday inspired makeup look. So first things first, we're going in with the e.l.f. Jelly Pop Dew Primer. This is an amazing primer. I've used it multiple times in my videos, but it's gonna make your makeup last all day, and it's gonna make your skin look very glowy and dewy. So I'm here for it. Next, we're going in with foundation. It's the e.l.f. Flawless Finish Foundation. This foundation is $6. It's medium to full coverage. And when I say medium coverage, you see that dark spot on my forehead? It doesn't completely cover it up, but it helps to even out my skin tone. So if I was to go in with multiple layers, then, it probably would cover that dark spot up, but this is a really good foundation. You should try it out if you haven't. For concealer, we're going in with the LA Girl HD Pro Concealer in the shade Cool Tan. We're taking it way back. I remember when you could only find this concealer at like the beauty supply store. So it's just crazy that, it's in Ulta now. The shade's a little light, but it's okay. We'll fix it with bronzer. And look at my hair. I just washed it. It's all long. I set my face with a ColourPop No Filter Loose Setting Powder in the shade Translucent. I used this in my full face of ColourPop and I really liked it. And then to set the rest of my face, I used the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder. It's my holy grail. I'm gonna buy more powders to try out for you guys because I've been sticking to the same face powder, this and the Charlotte Tilbury, but I'm gonna try something else. Don't worry. Next time I go to the store, I'm gonna try something new. Okay, so I'm going in with my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette because as you can see, I'm starting to look a little pasty. So I'm just blending that into my forehead, my temples, and my cheekbones. Then I was just feeling my hair. I just washed it. Then I'm setting my face with my Charlotte Tilbury powder. Look at the difference. Just erases any texture you have. If you don't got this, you need to go buy it. It's worth every penny. Then we're moving right into eyeshadow, and I'm using the James Charles palette. I'm really focusing on those, that middle row, those really big pans, so those neutral colors. And I took that orange shade and I threw that in my crease. And next, I took that darker brown shade and I'm just really throwing that in my outer V just to deepen everything up. Then next I'm about to go in and cut the crease with my ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Concealer. This is so good for cutting the crease. Like, it's so creamy. It's just perfect. You really should try it, and it's super affordable. It's also really good for all over the face. Literally my favorite concealer. And I also knew that I wanted to go for like holiday vibes, so I knew I wanted to go in with that champagne shade that's in that middle row of the eyeshadow. So I took my Milani Fruit Fetish setting spray, sprayed my brush, and I'm just patting that where I laid down that concealer. Then I'm just taking that brown shade and I'm just throwing that back in my crease. Then I took that deeper brown shade and I'm re-emphasizing my outer V just to really ensure that there's still a dimension. And I even kind of threw it in my crease a little bit just to make that a little deeper. Then I took this Pinky Rose Hypnotized Glitter palette, and you'll see I'm eyeballing this gold shade. Yes, right there in that second row. I just took a little pencil brush and I decided to just put that above my crease. Yes, at this point it's really starting to come together. So I took that champagne shade and I'm really just re-emphasizing my crease because I kind of felt like it was getting a little lost. Then I decided to go in with some liner. I'm using the Maybelline Master Precise Liquid Eyeliner. This is so good. It's under $10. It's super black, super pigmented. It's really comparable to the Stila eyeliner, and that one's like $21. So it's like half the price. It's so good. Then I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I'm putting that on my cheekbones. I'm going to put some on my nose, on my cupid's bow, and I even put a little bit on the sides of my forehead. Then I'm setting my brows with the e.l.f. Wow Brow in the shade Black. I threw some lashes on off camera, and you're going to see that right about now. And I also changed my hair. I wasn't really feeling the middle part. Then I took that orange shade and that dark brown shade and I just put that on my lower lash line. Then I throw on some mascara. I'm using the Tarte Maneater mascara. I'm just going to put that on my lower lash line. And since this is a holiday look, what would it be without red lips? So I'm taking my ColourPop lip liner and Hot Cakes. I'm just outlining my lips. Then next, I'm going in with this e.l.f. Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Red Vixen. These are really good too. It looks kind of shiny at first, but it dries down completely matte. Then I'm just fixing my hair. I'm checking out the scene. I really love how this look came out, and I hope you guys like it too. If you do, please give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.